Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your Canon PIXMA E400 series printer showing offline and you don't know how to fix it? Well, this can be easily fixed. You just need to check a few settings on your Windows PC or Mac and correct them. In today's video, I'll give you step-by-step instructions for both Windows PC and Macs to fix the offline error. For one-on-one assistance, you can call us at the numbers displayed. Otherwise, let's get started with the Windows PC. Mac users can skip the first few minutes for solutions. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. For Windows, Method 1. Ensure the printer is set to online. Go to your computer, click on the Start icon, then search and open the control panel. Find Hardware. Under it, click on the View Devices and Printers. Find and right-click on the PIXMA printer. In the list of actions, click on See What's Printing option. Now, the Use Printer Offline window will open. Here, click on the printer. Uncheck the Use Printer Offline option. If setting the printer online fixed the issue, subscribe to our channel. If the printer is still offline, let's set it as the default printer. Method 2. Check the default printer. Go to your computer, click on the Start menu. Search for printers and scanners and open it. Scroll and find the Let Windows Manage My Default Printer, then turn it off. Once done, scroll up and click on the Canon printer. Click on More Devices and Printers Settings option. Now, right-click on the Canon printer and select the Set as Default Printer option. For Mac, Method 1. Remove and add the printer again. On your Mac, click on the Apple icon. From the list of options, click on System Preferences. On System Preferences window, click on Printers and Scanners. In the Printers and Scanners window, select your printer, then click on the minus icon. In the Confirmation window, select Reset. When the printer system reset has finished, go ahead and re-add the printer as usual by clicking the plus icon. For more videos on the other printer issues, please tell us your issues in the comments. If the error still persists, let's check for printer driver updates. Method 2. Check the printer software driver. On your Mac, click on the Apple icon. From the list of options, click on System Preferences. On the System Preferences window, click on Software Update. On the Software Update, if your printer is showing any software update, then click on Update Now.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.